Hi guys, welcome to our group Hackathon project. And today we present you a profanity filter chatbot. Me, Bayu, Kishore, and Miza for the past a few days has been building uh, a Discord bot that can detect when there is a swear words in the user. The usage of this bot can be used in servers to prevent spams user. And today and now I will present for you guys a demo. Um, right. So what you guys can see here is a local deployment from Bento ML. We have we written I wrote a model using a simple bidirectional LSTM to predict uh, what is the percentage or how to define whether a sentence has a profanity language or not. So we already deployed a version of our model on Heroku, but since for the sake of a demo, I will just deploy it locally and then run it via localhost 5000. And all the predictions can be accessed uh, on the server via 5000 slash a predict. So this is so for everyone, if you guys want to have a chance to get to play with the model and get to play with all the bots that we have built, I also added a lot of instruction on our GitHub page for you local to locally deploy it. So this is just a Swagger page for us to interact with the API. Since we already deployed the chatbot into a Discord, now I can just share with you guys. This is a test server that we built. As you can see here, there's a profanity chatbot, and then if we say something nice, for example, I hope everyone has a good day. As you can see, nothing is detected. However, if I start to uh, so this is a warning. So this will get an NSFW. So I would say, for example, this would be what the hell? What are you doing? You are so bad. Okay, right. So as you can see, this is one of the caveats that our model is having. Is that, for example, some of the sentence that is not as that doesn't contain a lot of bad words, but the mood is pretty negative, and it doesn't detect that, which is correct, right? Because we want to filter out profanity language rather than doing a sentiment analysis. So the first one would be a sentiment analysis example, and the third one is actually a, a profanity word, and then when the user write such kind of language, it will detect the profanity and then it will record and save it to a Mongo database so that we can use it for logging later. One of the challenges that we ran into while building this is actually communications between teammates since we are in a different time zone. So it is pretty hard for us to conduct meetings so that we can work on different parts of the project. One also some of the improvement that we want to improve is that so first in terms of the model, instead of have to deploy everything with the pre-trained embeddings and vocabulary, uh, we want to package everything into uh, Docker and using Bento so that it will make the model become more lightweight and therefore save some of the many memory quota on Heroku. Second part is that we want to design a stat board, or basically just add commands into the bot so that um, the bot can show some statistics for the user. Yep, that is it for our demo, and you guys can check it more at our GitHub. Thank you. Okay. How do I stop video? There we go. There we go, stop sharing.
Yeah, so